Welcome to Men Talk Live. I'm Dr. Olivia Smith. Today, we are addressing a medical emergency that millions of adults walk around with every single day, completely blind to the danger. They feel a sudden cramp in their calves when walking, or they notice their feet are always freezing cold, even in the summer. They pass it off as just getting older or a simple muscle strain. But clinically, this is not a muscle issue. It is a desperate cry for oxygen from your cardiovascular system. Your arteries are the biological highways of your body, delivering life-saving blood and nutrients to every limb. But in our modern world, these highways are becoming silently calcified and choked with plaque. Today, we are breaking down the hard science. I will reveal the 4 hidden warning signs that your leg arteries are dangerously narrowing, and the single Nobel-prize-winning nutrient protocol that can naturally clear this plaque and restore your mobility. If you want to maintain your independence and protect your heart, pay close attention to every word of this broadcast. To understand how to clean your arteries, we must understand the mechanical failure behind poor circulation. Your legs are the furthest point from your heart. This means your cardiovascular system has to work the hardest to pump blood down to your toes and push it back up against gravity. When you eat a diet high in refined sugars, industrial seed oils, and lack movement, tiny microscopic tears develop on the inner lining of your arteries, called the endothelium. To heal these tears, your body sends cholesterol as a temporary bandage. But if the inflammation never stops, calcium from your diet binds to that cholesterol, turning it into a hard, calcified plaque. This is atherosclerosis. When your leg arteries narrow, your leg muscles are literally starved of oxygenated blood. The moment you try to walk or climb stairs, your muscles produce lactic acid instantly, causing intense pain because there isn't enough blood flow to wash the toxins away. Your body never fails to warn you before a major medical event. Long before a severe blockage leads to a stroke or amputation, your legs will send 4 distinct physical distress signals. Check your lower body for these signs tonight. Sign number 1, intermittent claudication. This is the classic symptom. You are walking down the street and suddenly a tight, squeezing pain grips your calf or thigh. You stop, rest for 2 minutes, and the pain vanishes. This happens because your arteries can supply enough blood while sitting, but fail completely the moment your muscles require energy. Sign number 2, the color change test. Lie down on your bed and elevate both of your legs at a 45-degree angle for 1 minute. Do your feet turn pale or white? Now sit up and let your legs hang over the side of the bed. Does it take more than 15 seconds for the healthy pink color to return? Or do they turn a deep, dusky red? If yes, your blood vessels are severely narrowed. Sign number 3, loss of leg hair and shiny skin. Take a close look at your lower legs and shins. Have you noticed that the hair has stopped growing there, or that the skin looks unusually shiny and tight? When peripheral arteries fail, the hair follicles and skin tissues are the first to be starved of nutrition, causing them to atrophy. Sign number 4, the cold foot phenom. Is one of your feet significantly colder to the touch than the other? If you constantly have to wear socks on just one foot, or if a minor cut on your toe takes weeks to heal, your local blood supply is critically low. Now, let's talk about the medical solution. For decades, we were told that calcified plaque is permanent, but modern biohacking and vascular science prove otherwise. You can naturally support your arterial elasticity if you supply your body with the exact raw nutrients. Here is your medical-grade arterial clearance protocol. Nutrient number 1, vitamin K2, the calcium conductor. This is the most crucial vitamin most people are missing. While vitamin D absorbs calcium, vitamin K2 activates a protein called osteocalcin, which takes the calcium out of your arteries and puts it into your bones where it belongs. Without K2, calcium hardens your blood vessels. Find it in high-quality grass-fed butter and fermented foods. Nutrient number 2, L-arginine and L-citrulline, the nitric oxide booster. This protocol won a Nobel Prize in medicine. These amino acids convert directly into nitric oxide inside your endothelium. Nitric oxide acts as a natural vasodilator, forcing your stiff, calcified arteries to relax and widen instantly, dropping blood pressure and flooding your legs with fresh blood. Get it from pumpkin seeds and watermelon. Nutrient number 3, aged garlic extract, the plaque softener. Multiple clinical trials show that aged garlic extract significantly reduces soft coronary and peripheral plaque. It prevents blood platelets from sticking together, acting as a natural, safe blood thinner. Nutrient number 4, high-dose vitamin C, the collagen builder. Your arterial walls are made of collagen. Vitamin C is the fundamental building block that repairs the microscopic tears in your endothelial lining, stopping the plaque formation process before it even starts. Nutrient number 5, ginger and turmeric, the inflammation killers. Plaque cannot form without inflammation. The active compounds gingerol and curcumin turn off the inflammatory switches in your vascular system, preventing cholesterol from turning into dangerous oxidized plaque. Reversing arterial stiffness and restoring your leg strength is completely possible, but it requires stopping the daily habits that damage your blood vessels and embracing these natural protocols. Your mobility is your freedom. Don't wait until walking becomes impossible to take action. Before we close today's medical update, I want to ask you, have you noticed any of these 4 warning signs in your legs or feet lately? Let's start a serious health conversation in the comments below, and I will be checking in to answer your questions personally. If you found this broadcast valuable, please click the like button, share it with an older family member who needs this information, and subscribe to Men Talk Live for your weekly deep dives into longevity and preventative medicine. I'm Dr. Olivia Smith. Protect your heart, and I will see you in our next medical broadcast.